So y is equal to, let's say y equals sine x. Okay, so we know that dy dx or y dash is equal to cos x. Okay, that's a rule of differentiations, okay, of sine x. So let's say y is equal to cos of x, so y dash is equal to negative sine of x. Now let's say we differentiate of 10x. Okay, so y equal to 10 of x. So if you differentiate 10 of x, so we know that, okay, 10x is sine x over cos of x. So therefore, okay, y dash equal, now this is sine x over cos x, so we're gonna use quotient rule, okay, for differentiation of 10x. Okay, so derivative the top, which is sine x, become cos x. Okay, so cos of x, then you times the bottom cos x again, so cos x times cos x is cos square of x, then minus derivative cos x. Okay, derivative bottom, which is cos x, derivative cos x give you minus sine x, so you got minus minus give you plus, so sine x, and then you times by this top, so sine x, so that become square. Okay, all over the bottom square, which is cos square of x. Okay, so that's quotient rule. Derivative top times the bottom minus derivative bottom times the top over the bottom square. Okay, so that become, now if I simplify this, remember cos square x plus sine square x is 1. So that means that is 1 over cos square x. Okay, now cos square 1 over cos square x is sec square of x. See, that's what that meant. Okay, so therefore, okay, if y equal 10 of x, so y dash must be equal sec square of x. Okay, these are the rules. Okay, please keep that in mind. For me, if you differentiate y equals sine x, differentiate that, give me cos x. So please remember that. And if you differentiate of cos x, okay, so your answer is negative sine x. Okay, and if you differentiate 10x, okay, so your answer is sec square of x. So please make note on this. Okay, we're gonna use this to do the next few questions. Alright, let's move on, try to do some questions. Okay, so we build up skill from here. Okay, let's say y is equal to, find the derivative of y equals sine of 4x. Okay, now to do this, remember the differentiate of sine x give you cos x, but the thing is you have 4x here. Okay, so this is what we're gonna use, is I'm gonna use p a t. Okay, p stand for power, a for stand for angle, and t stand for trig. So power, angle, trig. Okay, so that's how it works. So what I do, okay, I go, there's no power, so which means ignore that. Angle is 4x. Okay, differentiation of angles is 4x, derivative 4x give me y dash first is 4. See, then I move to trig. Trig is sine, derivative sine give me cos, so just go cos of whatever that angle is. I just copy that out. That's all. Okay, that's the derivative of sine of 4x. Let's say number 2. Let's say y is equal to sine of 12x. Same thing. Okay, I'll just write here PAT. Now power, we don't have power at this moment, and then then we have angles. Angle is inside here, which is 12x. So derivative of angle, okay, which is 12x. Derivative 12x is 12. So just write 12 down. Okay, and then what's next? Trig. That's right. So trig is here. Derivative sine give me cos. So just write it down. Cos of 12x. See, that's all. Let's move on next one. Okay, so let's say y is equal to, right here, y is equal to 6 cos of 3x. Okay, same rule apply. Okay, I've just tried here for you. After a while, you don't need to write. Okay, PAT, you do in your head, but I'm just write it out because I explain it to you. Okay, so power, no power. Okay, so which is angle we do now. So angle is 3x is angle. So which is derivative of 3x, give me 3. But 6 is in front, 6 is a constant. So 3 times 6 is 18. Done with angle. Now trick is cos. Okay, cos. Derivative cos give you minus sine. So I'll just put minus here. Sine of 3x, whatever the angle, I just write it down. Okay. Okay, let's move on next one. Okay, let me move this up first. Now, let's say y is equal to minus 5 tan of 3x squared plus 8. Okay, now remember power, angle, trick. We differentiate the power, then we differentiate angle, then we differentiate trick. At the moment, no power, so we ignore. So we just do this first, just normal differentiations. Y dash equal the angle. Okay, angle is this here, 3x squared plus 8. So if you differentiate this, it gives me 6x, right? But 6x times minus 5, 6 times 5 is 30. So minus 30x. Now power, no power, so angle, done. Now differentiate trick. Now derivative of tan, it gives me sec square. Okay, so sec square. So which is sec square of whatever that angle is. Okay, so 3x squared plus 8. There you go. That's your answer for that. Okay, now next one. Let's say y is equal to minus 3 cos of 4x plus 5. Okay, so dy dx, I'm just write dy dx is same as y dash. Okay, just write something different. The derivative, that's what that means, is differentiation means the derivative of y respect to x. That's all. X is variable if you like. So power, angle, trick. So there's no power, so differentiate angle. So derivative 4x plus 5 is 4, correct? So 4 times minus 3 is minus 12. See, done. Derivative angle. Now derivative trick. Trick is cos. Okay, if I differentiate cos, okay, give me minus sine. So that minus sine times minus give you a plus. I just put a plus here. Okay, and then becomes sine of, I just copied that out. So which is 5. There you go. So this is that 12. I rewrite 12 sine of 4x plus 5. See, that's all. Okay, let's move on next questions. Let's say y, okay, y is equal to sine of 7x squared plus 3x. Now power, angle, trick. Again, there's no power, I just differentiate the angle first. So y dash or dy dx equal, differentiate this. I write it out here so you know what I do. So differentiate 7x squared plus 3x. So y dash equals 7 times 2 is 14. So 14x and plus 3. See? So that means angle is this one. And more than one term times by the whatever that is. So I need to open curly brackets, of course. So open bracket, I put in front. So which is 14x at 3. See? Angle done. Then I differentiate trick. Trick is sine x. So I differentiate sine x, give me cos. Okay, sorry, differentiate sine, give me cos. So I just write cos of whatever this angle. I just write it down. See, just follow the process. Okay, so that is your answer. All right, now next one. Let's say y is equal to negative 4 tan of 7x squared plus 5x. Okay, so now y dash, okay, y dash is equal to angle first. So differentiate angle, a derivative of this. Okay, derivative of this, give me 7x squared become 4x, 5x become 5. So 14x plus 5. Okay, differentiate the angle. But because the negative 4 in front, so I just put negative 4 first, and time by derivative of the angle, which is 14x plus 5. You see? Angle done. Now trig. Okay, trig is tan of whatever that angle is, tan. Derivative 10 give me sec square. So sec square of whatever that angle, I just write it down. See? Very simple. And then that's already in simplest form, so I don't have to do any more of those. Okay? Let's do last one. Okay? Last one. So let's say y is equal to 3 tan of 12x plus 7 at 5x squared. So y dash equal, okay, power angle trick. Always keep that in your mind. No power. I differentiate this first. Angle only. So which is 12. Derivative this give me 12. 12 times 3 is 36. Then trick. Differentiate angle now. Now differentiate this. Give me sec square. So sec square of whatever that angle. I just copied that out. Simple as that. Done with this term. Now a differentiation derivative of 5x squared. So derivative 5x squared, that give me 10x. That's all. Okay. Thank you so much for watching my videos.